5 seconds to go. Start. The instant appeal is preferred by the accused against final judgment dated 17th October 2019 passed by High Court of Punjab and Haryana at Chandigarh, whereby the Division Bench of High Court declined to interfere with the judgment of the Sessions Court dated 4th February 2003, by which the appellant was convicted for the charge under Section 302 120B of Indian Penal Code and directed to undergo imprisonment for life and pay fine of rupees 1000 in default, further rigorous imprisonment for 6 months. The appellant was also convicted under Section 342 120B of IPC and was sentenced to rigorous imprisonment for 6 months with an order to run both the sentences concurrently. The prosecution story in brief is that on 3rd April 2000, while a police party headed by Inspector Harpal Singh, hereinafter referred to as the investigating officer IO of police station Kotwali, Amritsar, was on patrol duty at Chowk, received information regarding murder of deceased Banarsi Das. The police party went to the house of deceased, where complainant wife of deceased made the complaint, and her statement was also recorded by IO. It is stated that she was residing with the deceased in a house at Amritsar on first floor. The deceased used to work in the shop with his son, which was in the name and style of Sundar Shoes. On the intervening midnight of 2nd and 3rd April 2000, they were sleeping in their house when she woke up suddenly, so that a Sikh youth wearing a white kurta pajama and patka of the same color on his head, aged about 35-36 years, along with a clean shaved person aged about 30-32 years, have entered in the house. Sikh youth was armed with a dagger, chura, who first strangulated her husband Banarsi Das, thereafter gave dagger blows above the stomach while lying on the bed. The Sikh youth demanded keys of Godrej Almira from the complainant, which out of fear she handed over. She was locked in a bathroom by them. Both the intruders looted gold ornaments, cash and other articles and went back. The chowkidar rang the call bell, but because she was confined in the bathroom, so could not open the door. In the morning, the chowkidar, with the help of other persons, opened the door of house and also of bathroom. Then she came out. On initial search, she found that the intruders had taken away 6 gold bangles, rupees 7,000 in cash, and other articles of gold including cash from the wooden almirah also. The IO, after making some endorsement below, the statement of complainant sent Ruka to the police station, on the basis of which formal FIR number 51 dated 3rd April 2000 was registered of the offences under sections 460, 342, 142 and 120B and 34 of IPC at police station Kotwali, Amritsar. The IO carried out the inquest proceedings with regard to unnatural death of deceased Banarsi Das. Stop.